Okay, the Blink program is to check that everything is working fine. So you go to this website and click on the Blink. Then at the top right, you'll click fork. This will copy it over to your account. Okay, once it's under your account, you will copy this link. Then go to your Visual Studio Code, View Command Palette, then git clone, then paste the URL. Then select a folder on your computer to save the clone, then add to workspace. Once that's done, you can click on the src main cpp to see the program. So this program is just lighting the LED. Okay, at the bottom, you can change to the Blink program. Okay, once it's changed, then you can click on the arrow to upload. Okay, if you see this error, it means that it's not able to find the port of your device. So what I can do is to go right click on the start menu, select device manager, then look for the port section, expand it, and you will see the COM number. So this is a COM9. So back to Visual Studio Code, open the platform io.art.ini, then you would specify upload port equals to COM9. Okay, you can save the file, then upload again. Okay, so if you see these messages, that means it's successfully programmed the device. So the LED on this mBotRanger is here. It's on the inside of the board, so you actually can't see it. It's actually here. So in this code, what we are doing is flashing turning on the LED for 3 seconds, then turning it off for 1 second. So that's the 3000 and 1000 here. So if you look at the LED, it will light up for 3 seconds and off for 1. So this is the LED that is being controlled by the code. Okay, so if you see this, then your setup is okay and working.